to your mind when you hear this voice? Milk, water, juice, oil, medicine, or something else. But if you ask me this question, the answer is capacity. And if you want to know the reason, you have to watch this video.
I will now fill this spoon with milk. Let us see how many drops of milk are required to fill this. Here goes the first drop, and this is second drop of milk in the spoon. The spoon is still empty. Let us put one more drop in the spoon. And now the fourth drop. Now the spoon is full. Hence, 4 drops of milk are needed to fill the spoon. Let us do another activity. We have 3 different vessels and a jug. We will fill water from the jug in these 3 vessels. Let us start with the first vessel. 1, 2, and 3. Here we see that 3 jugs of water fill the first vessel. Now let us fill the second vessel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, the bucket is full. Here 4 jugs of water fill this bucket. Now let us fill the third vessel. 1 and 2. 2 jugs of water fill the third vessel. Friends, we have seen that vessel 1 is filled with 3 jugs of water. Vessel 2 is filled with 4 jugs of water, and vessel 3 is filled with 2 jugs of water. It means vessel 3 holds least water, and vessel 2 holds most of the water. Now it is time to check what you have learned. Click on the container which holds more water.
So, dear students, it's clear that our lesson today is talking about capacity. What is the meaning of capacity? From the video we can deduce that the capacity is the amount of liquid which the container contains. In our daily life, we usually deal with capacity. For example, here I have a bottle of Coca-Cola and a bottle of orange juice. If you look at the bottle of Coca-Cola, you will read that it's written on it 2 liter. And if you look at the orange juice, you will see that it's written on it 250 milliliters. What are liters and milliliters used for? Liters and milliliter are the units of capacity. Liter used for measuring a lot of things. For example, bottle of oil. And milliliter used to measure the capacity of, for example, of course, bottle of medicine. But before we start, we have to know a very important remarks. 1 liters equal 1 cubic decimeter, and 1 milliliters equal 1 cubic centimeter. But what is the relation between liters and milliliters, or between cubic decimeter and cubic centimeter? 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So quarter liter of course will be equal to 250 milliliter, and half liters equal 500 milliliter. So what do you think? How many milliliters are there in 3/4 liter? Yes, that's right. 3/4 liters equal 750 milliliters. Remarks. How can we convert from milliliters to liters, or from liter to milliliters? Let's see the first remark to learn how we can do this. First remark, to convert from smaller unit to greater unit, you have to divide. So for example here, 5000 milliliter equals how many liters? Here I have milliliter and I want to convert it to liter. So to convert from smaller unit to greater unit, you have to divide. So you will divide 5,000 by 1,000 and the result to be 5. So 5,000 milliliters equal 5 liters. Remark number 2. To convert from greater unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. So for example, here I have 7 liters and I want to convert it to milliliters. To convert from greater unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. So you will multiply 7 by 1,000 and the result to be 7,000. So 7 liters equal 7,000 milliliter. And this is our lesson. Let's go into the practice. Question number 1. Choose the answer nearest to the correct between practice. First one. The amount of milk used by a family of 4 persons is 500 liters or 2,000 milliliter or 50 liters. In this question or in this type of questions, we estimate the correct answer. It's not exactly right, but we estimate the answer. So here I have 500 liters and 2,000 milliliters, which equals to 2 liters. So I think it's fair to drink 2 liters for a family of 4 persons. So this is the right answer. Question number 2. A man bought a bottle of medicine of capacity 5/10 liter, 2 liters or 1,000 milliliters. If you look at 5/10 liter, how many milliliters are there in 5/10 liters? Of course you know, 500 milliliter. So if you look at a bottle of medicine, it can be 500 milliliters. So this is the right answer. Question number 3. I used a bout of water in bathing today. 50 liters, 5/10 liters or 10 liters. Now it's your turn. Please try by yourself. Have you finished? I think yes. So the answer is yes, 50 liters. So let's go to question number 2. Complete each of the following. 1. 20 milliliters equal how many liters? We said before that when you convert from the smaller unit to the greater unit, you have to, divide. So we will divide 20 by 1,000 and the result to be 200. So 20 milliliters equal 200 liter. Letter B. 4 and 275 thousandths liter equal how many milliliters? We said before, when you convert from greater unit, which is here liter, to smaller unit, which is here milliliters, you have to multiply. So you will multiply it by 1,000 and the result to be 4,275. So 4.275 liters equals 4,275. Third question. 9,250 milliliters equals how many liters? Here I want to convert smaller unit to greater unit. So of course you will divide. So I will divide 9,250 by 1,000, which equals 9.25. So 9,250 milliliters equal 9.25 liters. But can we find another way to answer this question? Yes, of course, yes. Because here you find 250 milliliter, which is equal to quarter liter. Then 9,250 milliliters equal 9.25 liter. Question D. 8,500 milliliter equal how many liters? Again, when you convert from smaller unit to greater unit, you have to divide. Yes, you have to divide. So we will divide it by 1000. So 8500 divided by 1000 equal 8.5. So 8500 milliliters equal 8.5 liter. But can we find another way to answer the same question? Yes, we can, but try by yourself. Now it's your turn. Please think and answer letter E and F, and you have 14 seconds to think and answer. Time's up. Letter E, 7.75 liters equal how many milliliters? Yes, I hear someone who said 7,750. Yes, of course, this is the right answer. Letter F, 1,750 milliliter equal how many liters? I give you enough time to think, and the answer is 1.75. Let's go to question number 3. Complete each of the following. A, 3 liters and 200 milliliters equal how many liters? In this kind of question, we have to look at the end of the example to see which unit I have to use. Here I have to use liters, so I convert milliliters to liters. How can I convert 200 milliliters to liter? By dividing by 1000. So 200 milliliters equal 2/10 liters. Then we will add the two quantities to find the answer. 3 liters plus 2/10 liters, the result to be 3.2 liters. So 3 liters and 200 milliliters equals 3.2 liters. Question B. 5.5 liters and 500 milliliters equals how many milliliters? We look at the end of the example, we find milliliter. So we will convert liter to milliliter. Again, how can we convert greater unit to smaller unit? By multiplying. So we will multiply 5.5 by 1000, and the answer to be 5,500 milliliter. And then we will add the two quantities. 5,500 milliliters plus 500 milliliters equals 60,000 milliliters. So 5.5 liter and 500 milliliters equal 60,000 milliliters. Letter C. 3,000 milliliters and 50 cubic decimeter equal how many liters? In this example, we find that at the end we find liter, so we will convert milliliter to liter and convert cubic decimeter to liter. We said before that 1 liter equal 1 cubic decimeter. But how can to convert milliliter to liter? We will divide it by 1000. And the answer is 3 liter. So 3000 milliliter equals 3 liters. And 50 cubic decimeters equal 50 liter. And then we will add 3 liters plus 50 liters equal 53 liters. And this is the answer. Now it's your turn. Bring a paper and try to answer letter D and E, and you have 14 seconds to think and answer. Time's up. So I hear someone of you who said that 3 liters and 200 milliliters equal 3,200 milliliter, and that's right answer. Okay, Letter E, 2.25 cubic decimeter and 750 milliliter equals how many liters? Yes, the answer is 3. That's a correct answer. Now let's end with arranging. Question number 4, arrange the quantities in an ascending order. First of all, we have to remember what is the meaning of ascending order. It means that arrange from the smaller to the greater, and descending order is arranging from greater to smaller. First example, 3000 milliliter, 2 liters and 3.5 liters. To arrange the three quantities, we have to put them all in the same unit. So we will convert milliliter to liters by dividing it by 1000. So I have 3 liters. Now can I arrange them? Of course, yes. Ascending, so we will start from the smaller one, 2 liters. Second one, 3 liters. And the last one, of course, will be 3.5 liter. Now students, it's your turn. Please arrange in an ascending order: 10 liters, 30 milliliters, 2000 milliliters, 30 liters and 3 milliliters. Bring a paper and start quickly to answer because you have just 14 seconds. Time's up. The first, of course, will be 3 milliliters. Second, yes, that's right, 30 milliliters. Next, of course, 2000 milliliter. Next, yes, 10 liters. And the last one, of course, will be 30 liters. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and wait you.